solution. A1 Custom Car Care.
Memorial Day weekend is coming up, and before you travel, here are some A1 minute maintenance tips. First, you should check your fluid levels before traveling. Any vehicle with a dipstick to mark fluid levels should have a high or a low mark for fluid, and your fluid condition should be somewhere in between. Anything that is contained inside of a container under the hood should also have a high or low or a hot or cold mark. Your fluid level should be somewhere in between these as well. If you find that your fluid levels are outside of these markings, you should have a qualified technician check your vehicle before you go. Also, fluid condition should be checked before traveling as well. Dark fluids are not the norm. If your fluid looks dark, whether it's power steering, coolant, oil, or brake fluid, you should have it checked by a qualified technician immediately. If you are needing some advice on things to look at based on your vehicle's condition and mileage, you should also have a technician perform a pre-trip inspection. This usually will cover any wearable items on the vehicle and will almost always include a free checkup of tires and fluid levels. But thank you for joining us. This has been your A1 Minute Maintenance Tip for Memorial Day weekend.
Your complete car care solution. A1 Custom Car Care. A1 Custom Car Care.